In this scene, the family fridge completely loses control. The freezer turns freezing cold like the Arctic, while the fridge section gets so warm that the ice cream melts and the cheese freezes solid. Rochelle immediately knows this is a real problem. In a house where every dollar matters, a broken fridge means spoiled food, wasted money, and even more stress. But Julius hears the word replace and somehow turns it into a shopping opportunity. Instead of focusing only on the fridge, he starts thinking that if their stamps have anything left over, maybe he can finally get an electronic ping pong table that keeps score. Rochelle shuts that dream down instantly. She reminds him that the family needs a working fridge, not a toy, and roasts him for thinking his big body is made for ping pong. The comedy works because Julius is always trying to find a bargain, even in a crisis, while Rochelle stays focused on survival.